Question 18. A solid is a rectangular block, 6 by 6 by 10, topped by a right pyramid whose slant edges are each 5 centimeters. Part A. The apex is above the center of the base. The distance from center to a corner is half the diagonal, 3√2. So the height h is root of 5 squared minus 3√2 squared, which is √7. The block's volume is 6 times 6 times 10, 360. The pyramid is a third times 36 times √7, which is 12√7, about 31.75. The total volume is 360 plus 12√7, about 391.75 cubic centimeters. Part B. The solid is cut through the vertical plane of symmetry, the diagonal plane through the apex. First, the slant height of a triangular face is √3 squared plus √7 squared, which is √16, equal to 4. The whole outside surface is the bottom, 36. The 4 block sides, each 60, so 240. And the 4 pyramid triangles, each 12, so 48. That's 324. The cut splits it equally, so each half gets 162, but the cut exposes a new pentagon face. Its block part is a rectangle, the diagonal 6√2 by the height 10, giving 60√2. Its pyramid part is a triangle, a half times 6√2 times √7, giving 3√14. So one piece has 162 plus 60√2 plus 3√14. About 258.1 square centimeters. Well done. That's question 18 complete.